Hello everyone and welcome to Exquisite Blossoms. Today we will be learning a little bit about Oncidium care and what has worked for me so far. So let's begin. Here I have two Oncidiums. This one is Oncidium Honey Angel, which I purchased from Roehampton Orchids, and the other, the bigger one in the back, is an Oncidium No ID from Kim's Nature. Lighting can vary depending on the species. Some can handle bright direct sunlight and some need filtered light. So currently I have my Oncidium placed on the middle shelf, right there, and they receive their light through a somewhat frosted rubber like kitchen liner slip mat. And they seem to be doing well. Temperature. These guys are intermediate to warm growing orchids. Nighttime temperatures can be from 12 to 15 degrees and daytime temperatures can be from 26 to 29 degrees. Personally, for me, I was unable to place my Oncidium, not the mature seedling, the little one down there, but the one in the back. I was unable to place it in direct sunlight because the minute we reach certain temperatures, roughly around 21 to 23 degrees, the leaves would feel hot to the touch. So currently, they both stay indoors. So I've had the No ID Oncidium for roughly, I believe, 3 or 4 months now, and the Honey Angel I've had for 2 months. When they are in active growth, they need frequent watering. Once the pseudobulb has matured, you can slow down on watering. So the Oncidium No ID has 3 new growth. This new pseudobulb right here, and then we've got this new growth right there, that one right there. She is in active growth. I have not stopped watering her. I have been giving her a lot of water, as she has a whole bunch of new roots growing. So currently she is in a semi-hydro setup. We have new roots growing downwards, and some are already almost reaching the reservoir. And this little guy at the time of purchase only had 2 pseudobulbs. So that tiny little one there, and then this one right there, and now she is on her way to making a new pseudobulb. She is currently being heavily watered just because she is in active growth. Okay, but she doesn't have much of a root system. She is like obviously still a mature seedling, so she's working on it. But this new growth here has already produced 2 new roots. Right there. I don't believe it's absorbing water just yet. And then we've got that root down there. So far she has made 2 new roots. And she is in a pumice setup. Humidity should be between 30 to 60%. They don't require a lot of humidity. So currently my humidity level is 67% and my temperature is 24 degrees. If you reside in an area where the climate is more dry, you can easily place the orchid on top of a humidity tray or place it around a humidifier. Just make sure that there is air circulation around the orchid. Fertilize regularly when the orchid is actively growing, and cut back on fertilizing once the pseudobulb has matured. Repotting should be done when the new growth is almost mature, and when replacing the orchid in the new pot, you want to place the older growth towards the back. So I know the way I repotted that orchid, it just didn't work out for some reason, and yeah. She has the growth going on the left and in the back and then on the right. As for the Honey Angel, she's doing well so far. I have placed her older pseudobulbs towards the back, and she seems like she's growing in the right direction. Blooming. So these guys can bloom any time of the year once the pseudobulb has matured. In order to trigger blooming, they do need a drop in temperature. So nighttime temperature should be 18 degrees Celsius or slightly lower. The honey angel is a mature seedling, so I don't believe she will be blooming anytime soon. It would roughly be another year or two, maybe 3. So this girl has already bloomed twice so far. I've noticed a flower spike right there, that little one right there, and another flower spike there. So I just gotta wait for the 3 bulbs, the pseudobulbs, to mature. If I've missed anything or said anything incorrect, let me know down below. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have an exquisite day. Bye!